Hi, Shankar. It's Adriana again. I'm sorry that the last video didn't render properly for you. So I'm going to go into screen share so I can show you what's going on with the MDAI store management interface and the issue I'm having with the virtual tour snippet. So let me go into screen share right now so that you can see what I need you to see. Okay. Okay. Your team wrote me that they were able to input the new See Inside virtual tour on the Dallas Store 205 store admin page. So here I am on the Dallas Store 205 store admin page. And as you can see, it is the old tour. This is not the remodeled store. The store does not look like this any longer. So I believe that your team put the virtual tour snippet in this field, but when they went to save, it did not save. And the reason I believe that is I'm about to duplicate that right now. So this is the code for the See Inside tour. So I'm going to copy that code. I'm going to take it to the virtual tour snippet. Okay. And I am going to, okay, there we go. Virtual tour snippet and priority 1. And I'm going to hit save. Okay, as you can see, it is still clearly the old tour, even though I put the new tour code in there. And just so you can see, the new tour is available. This is a click through from the Dallas Store 205 Google My Business page, which is the original place where the tours sit because they're See Inside tours from Google. So the tour works fine when you click through to it from the Google My Business page for Dallas Store 205. It looks exactly how it's supposed to look. And it's just when you paste that same code into the store management interface, for whatever reason, it doesn't work. So I'm actually even going to, well, actually I'm forced to select, so I don't have a choice. I have to select that. I'll try it one more time, and I'll try it without clicking those since those are optional. Sorry about that. Okay, see, it's still the old tour. So I'm not sure how your team was able to even make the new tour show up inside the virtual tour snippet tab in the store interface, because every time I hit save, it reverts back to the old tour. So the other thing your team was saying is that, hold on, let me get up to that part. That Google stopped support for classic Google Maps, so we can't able to create an embed code snippet for virtual tour. Well, that right there is exactly what I said when I originally made this case. I said that the Firefox browser has undergone an update and there is no option to switch back to classic Google Maps. So the embed code generated in Firefox for Dallas, Texas Store 205 is below. This is the new embed code because I am unable to go back to classic Google Maps in Firefox the way Simon Chan originally trained me to do. So what I need your team to take this code and to make it work in this field. Right now, it never worked in this field before. Before, I would go to Google Maps in Firefox, I would switch back to Classic rather than updated Google Maps, and I would use code that was generated in Classic. There is no switching back to Classic anymore. So this code shown here has now got to be made to work in this interface. So that's what I'm looking for. And that is not what's happening now. So whatever your team did to make this show up in the interface, they need to do it again, and they need to make it so that when I hit save, it actually sticks. So that is the issue I'm facing, and I'm hoping that your team can solve it. Thank you very much for your time.